Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize the way we secure our homes, the Fingerprint Smart Door Lock with handle and keypad. We found this innovative lock online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this smart door lock? It's a keyless entry system designed for modern living. This lock not only allows you to unlock your door using your fingerprint, but it also features a keypad, mobile app access, a fob, and a traditional key option. It's an all-in-one solution that removes the hassle of carrying physical keys, making it an ideal choice for families, elderly users, or anyone who might misplace their keys from time to time. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. First off, the fingerprint recognition technology is incredibly reliable and quick, allowing you to unlock your door with just a touch. This is especially beneficial for families with children who might find it difficult to manage keys. Imagine your kids being able to come home from school, place their finger on the lock, and enter the house seamlessly, no fumbling with keys required. Then there's the keypad option, which gives you another layer of convenience. You can easily set up unique codes for family members or trusted friends. This becomes particularly useful for rental properties or if you're hosting guests through vacation rental services. Speaking of which, this lock is designed with Airbnb and rental properties in mind. You can generate guest access codes instantly through the lock's app or web interface, allowing for a smooth check-in process without needing to be physically present. One of the best features of this smart lock is the DIY installation. You won't need to hire a locksmith or drill extra holes in your door. The installation process is straightforward and takes just minutes. It fits most standard doors, and the handle is reversible, so whether your door swings left or right, you'll be covered. Let's not forget about the Bluetooth app and remote access capabilities. With the app, you can unlock your door, check access records, and manage user permissions from anywhere. If you choose to pair it with the optional Wi-Fi gateway, you can control your lock remotely. This means you can let in friends or family, even if you're not at home, which adds another level of convenience for your daily life. Finally, this smart lock is compatible with smart home devices, including Alexa and Google Assistant. If you have a smart home setup, you'll appreciate the voice control feature. Just imagine saying, "Alexa, unlock the front door," and it's done. Hands-free access is a game changer, especially when your hands are full. So, who is this product suitable for? It's perfect for families, especially those with children who may forget their keys. It's also a great choice for the elderly who might struggle with traditional keys. If you own rental properties or frequently host guests, this lock can simplify your management tasks significantly. And, of course, it's fantastic for anyone looking to enhance their home's security with modern technology. In practical use, whether you're getting home from a long day at work, welcoming guests into your rental property, or just letting the dog out, this smart lock offers a seamless, secure, and convenient solution. With its array of unlocking options, you can feel confident knowing that you and your loved ones are safe and secure. That wraps up our review of the Fingerprint Smart Door Lock. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to